Good morning. Good morning. Time is 8:04, and I'm just a trader. Right. So let's just work. Um, let's make the decisions easy, man. Let's make them easy. Another day to make it easy. It's not hard. It's not confusing. It's easy. We decide whether we buy or sell because we have a simple set of rules that we follow. That simple set of rules guides our P&Ls, it guides our wins, it guides our losses, it guides our take profit, it guides our stop loss. It's simple. We're not going to waste any time with being frivolous. We're not going to waste any time with vain thought. All we're going to do is what we've been trained to do. That's it. Take the trade that's in front of us, trade the market that's in front of us, and keep it simple. You feel me? That's how we're doing. So I'm gonna share my screen with you so we can get to it. And yesterday was a late blooming sort of day, man. I was waiting to sell off like all day. I eventually just got up and left. Didn't feel like waiting anymore. So let's see if we can find something to fall in love with today. Okay. Okay. ZB60s is where I'm going. Let's find some levels. Our opening price today is right here, 156.08. 156.08. Our low, 155.31. 9 ticks below the open. And our high was a predetermined level, 156.18. Okay. 56.18 to 55.31 is a 19 tick overnight range. This is pretty good. I'm not totally mad at it. Bonds did a good job yesterday. We were aiming at 12s. We ended up getting 14s. Yeah, that's as far as I thought it could stretch. Today, we got 18s out, which is good. Come back down and check 156 double low. I'm not mad at checking 55.31. I'm not mad at checking 55.31 at all. That's cool. Then you get a nice little upside move. 156.27. They got it in their sights. See if we can play it. I'm still thinking upside is going to be good today. We'll see how that goes, but that's my thought. My thought is upside is going to be just fine. Upside should be just fine. Still disappointed about no coming back to 155.24. So they may be able to play that. I'll have my eye on 156.05 today. 156.05, 156.04. That's where I have my eye. I want to see what's up with that. We get down there and start closing down there, then it opens up the downside for us. But I don't believe that we're too far away. I think we should kind of pop up to the upside. Shouldn't be a big issue. Let me go check the ES60s, and we'll be good. Pretty easy day to call so far. Oh, okay. So the ES gave us the downside in the morning. That's what I wanted. And wow, 39.63. Jesus. Nice, guys. Nice. A little jealousy up there. As soon as the move starts working, then everybody quits on the move. All right. I see it. 39.48 becomes interesting for me. Immediately, 39.48 becomes interesting. That stimulus package was some kind of situation, wasn't it? That's nice. Open 39.57. So far, the overnight low is right there at 39.50.75. So they have this fantastic afternoon. Really fantastic afternoon on the S&P. It rises. It's beautiful. And then overnight is just a halt. Just nobody wants to keep the move going. That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. Nobody wants to keep it going, so we have to play that clean today. If we play the upside, you gotta play it clean. Hmm. That looks interesting. That looks very interesting. 39, 64, 50. Check them out. Check them out. Not mad about it at all. It's looking like, to me, it's looking like it can extend, to be honest with you. You know, looking for 80s. I'm sorry, did I say 80s? I seen 70s. Looking for 70s. 70, 71. Let's see if they can do it. 70, 71 this stop. This is pretty cool. All right. All right, Mr. ES. Creeping on the come up. That's all I got. Let's go check the news and then that'll be all of the breakdown. Looks pretty straightforward in my opinion. Today, it seems as though the bonds might want to reach to 156.27 first stop, and then we'll see what happens after that. Jeez, and then it looks as though the ES, I think 70. I think 70 at least, and then it'll slow down. Let's go check the news and make sure that we get like a good news report or whatever. So we'll go to. I should really make like core retail sales and retail sales today at 8:30. So we have early announcements, cap utilization rate, and industrial production at 9:15, and then new business inventories, NAHB housing market index at 10. So that's a lot of announcements today. 8:30, 9:15, and 10. It's 8:11. You make me as happy as I can be. Pharmacy begins retail sales and import-export prices at 8:30. Red Book at 8:55. Industrial production at 9:15. Business inventories and housing market index at 10. Yeah, some explosive stuff. Some 8:30 stuff that can explode, which is good. And you have some other things that can kind of make the market do some dances. So it should be fun. Today should be fireworks. Should get some good moves. Shouldn't have to wait too long for them to occur. That's what I got. That's all I got. That's all I got. You guys tell me what you think. What do you see? Tell me what you see. Maybe you guys see something different. I'm going to start my screen share because that's all I have. That's all I see this morning. It's funny. I think the ES is going to ride up a bit and then it should fall and come back into the range. And I think that the bond should rise for sure. Yeah, unless it trades back below 04, 56.04, and then I start looking the other way. Anybody else see anything different? Let me know what you see. There's no other way. Mikey says, I see the ZB rising. What up, Mikey? Yeah, I see the ZB rising myself, man. Shout out to you. Cool. Are there any questions about anything? About anything at all? We have this group. We have free trainings on Sunday and Wednesday. I want you to know about that. You can also visit Trade Like Jay to find out information about the course material. Definitely, lean into that. If you get an opportunity, check it out because it's changing lives. What else do we have going on? The conference is coming very soon. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, that's about it. Hey Ken, what sort of stuff do we have going on with like the charitable stuff and nonprofit type stuff and the giveaway type stuff? What we got going on?
Today we're meeting. We have at the end of this month, we have the painting for Women History Month.
Nice.
We have that going on. And then we have a meeting today to finish going over some other stuff that we're putting together for the next couple quarters.
Nice. I love it. So be on the lookout because we're not just talking about helping people, we're actually doing it. The painting for Women's History Month, is there a way that the bullies can get involved or that people can get involved with that, bro?
Yes. The link had been sent out. It got sent out to Slack. Drake got sent it out where you have to order. You have to order your material, and it's gonna be. She sent it out the Zoom link, so it's gonna be a group activity. You receive your painting, and then gonna do it by Zoom.
Okay, that's cool. That's very cool. Man, that's love. That's love, man. If there are no other questions, I'm gonna tell you. S&P hit a new ATH yesterday. Small pullback is in the air, so I'm looking to short sometime this week. I see sellers at 157.20. All right, let me see if I see those sellers LME. 57.20. I'm not mad about the sellers at 57.20. That's a good call. And yeah, the pullback, I think somebody's going to pull something back, Mikey, between you and me. I'm waiting on it too. Just got to get enough buyers on the train so we can trick them. So see how that goes. Hey, Sam, don't understand. Everybody's been there. Everybody's been there. If you're too new, I get it. Sam wrote, for everybody, he wrote, I think I'm too new. I don't really understand a lot of this. That's totally fine, bro. Totally fine. Everybody's been there before. Everybody. Just keep coming, keep hanging out. You'll learn everything that you need to learn. Trust me, you will. Trust me, you will. We got you. Captain Kidd said, morning, Jay. I'm getting better at counting the ZB ticks, but how are the ES ticks counted? Well, you count them tick by tick, but for them, it's 4 ticks per point. So they go like whatever point you're on, then you get like the 25, 50 to 75, then the next point. You know what I'm saying? So if it's like 38.93 to 38.94, you have to go 38.93 double O, 38.93 25, 38.93 50, 38.93 75, then 38.94. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like 4 ticks per point in the S&P, and we count them differently. I'll tell you about it in the room. We count them a little different. Good question though. Raider Laker says, I've noticed when Jay Powell from the Federal Reserve speaks, it sometimes has a negative effect. Is this an opportunity to look for a dip each time he briefs? I don't know if you make a hard and fast rule. They usually have this idea. I don't know why they did. I think it's because of the symbol being an eagle. So they'll say dovish or hawkish. And depending on how he's speaking, whether it be more dovish or more hawkish, typically about cash and about a business's ability to borrow cash cheaply, typically around that concept. When he speaks in those manners, when he says things that makes business owners believe it'll be easier to get cash at a cheaper rate, then the S&P and the rest of the indexes will rise. Businesses will rise. And if he doesn't, then, the opposite will occur. So I think you listen for certain key terms or certain key phrases. And from there, you can be able to determine which side of things you should be on. Of course, I say with caution, because when he's at the podium, people are literally hanging on every word and the market can get quite erratic at that time. So, take your time, be careful, be cautious. What I like to do is not be in a trade when Jay Powell speaks. And when he's over, I like to give things about 10 to 15 minutes to just relax. And then let's resume normal market activity. The easiest thing to predict is normal market behavior. When he speaks, it is not normal. So I try not to be a part of it. You're very, very welcome, Radar. I appreciate that. Much love. Hey, man, it's 8:20 right now. So I'm about to go and hang out with the bullies. But you all do me a huge favor. Man, make sure that you love on somebody today. Make sure you help somebody today. Make sure you have a fantastic day. Trade safe. No, don't be crazy out here. Don't be foolish out here. Get to the money. Get to the easiest money that you can get to. Don't get to the hard money, And, the clock on the wall says that's about all. I enjoyed y'all and I had a ball. Boom, boom, skeet, skeet. That's it. Your boys got a split. Much love. I'll see y'all next time.